Welcome back, fellow riders and outdoor enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of motorcycle rain gear to bring you the ultimate guide. We've handpicked the top 7 best motorcycle rain gear options on the market to keep you dry and comfortable during those unexpected downpours. Whether you're a biker, hiker, or adventurer, we've got you covered. So, stay tuned as we reveal these fantastic rain gear solutions to keep you riding in any weather. At the first position of our list, we have FROGG TOGGS Men's Classic All-Sport Waterproof Breathable Rain Suit. When it comes to staying dry in the great outdoors, the FROGG TOGGS Men's Classic All-Sport Waterproof Breathable Rain Suit is a game-changer. This versatile rain suit has been a favorite among outdoor enthusiasts for years, and for good reason. Crafted from a high-quality, waterproof, and breathable material, this rain suit is designed to keep you comfortable and dry, no matter what Mother Nature throws your way. Whether you're hiking in the rain, fishing on a misty morning, or just running errands in a downpour, this rain suit has got you covered. The jacket features a full-length front zipper and adjustable hood to keep rain and wind at bay. The pants have an elastic waistband and adjustable leg openings to ensure a snug fit that keeps water out. Plus, the entire suit is lightweight and easy to pack, making it the perfect choice for travel or outdoor adventures. With its durability and affordable price point, the FROGG TOGGS Men's Classic All-Sport Waterproof Breathable Rain Suit is a must-have addition to your outdoor gear collection. Don't let bad weather ruin your plans. Stay dry and comfortable with this exceptional rain suit. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Rigg Stormrider Rain Suit, 100% waterproof. When it comes to staying completely dry in heavy rain, the Rigg Stormrider Rain Suit is the top choice. This rain suit is engineered to provide 100% waterproof protection, ensuring you stay comfortable and dry in even the most torrential downpours. Crafted from high-quality materials, the Stormrider Rain Suit is built to last. The jacket features a full-length zipper, adjustable cuffs, and a built-in hood to keep you dry from head to toe. The pants have an elastic waistband and adjustable leg openings for a secure fit that keeps water out. Whether you're a motorcyclist, camper, or outdoor enthusiast, this rain suit is a reliable choice to keep you dry during your adventures. The Stormrider Rain Suit is available in various sizes to ensure a perfect fit for both men and women. Don't let bad weather ruin your outdoor fun. Invest in the Rigg Stormrider Rain Suit and stay dry and comfortable no matter where your adventures take you. The number 3 position held by Viking Cycle Nomad Rain Suit for men and women. The Viking Cycle Nomad Rain Suit is the ultimate choice for both men and women seeking dependable rain protection with style. Designed to keep you dry in the toughest of conditions, this rain suit combines functionality with fashion. Constructed from high-quality materials, the Nomad Rain Suit offers 100% waterproof protection while allowing for breathability to prevent moisture buildup inside. The jacket features a sleek design with a full-length zipper, adjustable cuffs, and a detachable hood for versatility. The pants are equipped with an adjustable waist and leg openings for a customized fit that ensures water stays out. Whether you're riding your motorcycle, hiking, or simply out and about on a rainy day, the Viking Cycle Nomad Rain Suit keeps you dry and looking good. With its unisex design and available sizes, this rain suit offers something for everyone. Don't compromise on style or comfort when it comes to rain gear. Choose the Viking Cycle Nomad Rain Suit and stay protected in any weather. And next at number 4 we have JIA'S Motorcycle Rain Suit for Men Waterproof. For motorcyclists who refuse to let rain keep them off the road, the JIA'S Motorcycle Rain Suit is the ultimate companion. This rain suit is specifically designed with riders in mind, offering waterproof protection and enhanced visibility. Constructed from durable materials, the JIA'S Motorcycle Rain Suit is built to withstand the rigors of the open road. The jacket features reflective stripes for increased visibility, even in low-light conditions. It also has adjustable cuffs and a built-in hood to keep you dry and comfortable. The pants are designed with an elastic waistband and adjustable leg openings to ensure a snug fit that doesn't interfere with your ride. This rain suit is available in various sizes to accommodate different body types. Whether you're a daily commuter or a weekend warrior, the JIA'S Motorcycle Rain Suit is a reliable choice to keep you dry and visible on the road. Don't let rain dampen your riding spirit. Gear up with JIA'S and ride with confidence. The number 5 position is held by Men's Rain Suit High Visibility Reflective Work Rain Jacket. When the job doesn't stop for rain, the Men's Rain Suit High Visibility Reflective Work Rain Jacket has got you covered. This rain suit is designed for those who need to stay dry and visible while working in wet conditions. Crafted from waterproof and durable materials, this rain suit features high visibility reflective tape on both the jacket and pants, ensuring you stay safe and seen in low-light situations. The jacket comes equipped with a full-length zipper, adjustable cuffs, and a detachable hood for added convenience. The pants have an elastic waistband and adjustable leg openings to provide a comfortable fit that doesn't restrict your movement. Whether you work in construction, landscaping, or any other outdoor profession, this rain suit is a practical and essential choice. Stay dry and visible on the job with the men's rain suit high visibility reflective work rain jacket, because your safety and comfort matter, rain or shine. The number 6 position is dominated by Hilitchi Black Men Waterproof Rainstorm Rainy Day. When the skies open up and the rain pours down, the Hilitchi Black Men Waterproof Rainstorm Rainy Day suit is your trusty companion. Designed for everyday use in rainy conditions, this rain suit offers reliable protection without breaking the bank. Crafted from waterproof materials, this suit is built to withstand the elements. The jacket features a full-length front zipper, adjustable cuffs, and a built-in hood to keep you dry and comfortable. The pants have an elastic waistband and adjustable leg openings for a secure fit. Whether you're running errands, walking the dog, or enjoying outdoor activities on a rainy day, the Hilitchi rain suit ensures you stay dry and stylish. Its sleek black design adds a touch of sophistication to your rainy day attire. Stay prepared for unexpected rain with the affordable and practical Hilitchi Black Men Waterproof Rainstorm Rainy Day suit, because staying dry never goes out of style. Finally, the number 7 position is held by JIA'S Rain Suit, Motorcycle Rain Gear Suit for Men. For motorcyclists who demand the best in rain gear, the JIA'S rain suit is a top-tier choice. Engineered for performance and durability, this rain suit is designed to keep riders dry and comfortable in the toughest conditions. Crafted from high-quality waterproof materials, this suit features a rugged and durable design. The jacket boasts a full-length zipper, adjustable cuffs, and a built-in hood, providing complete protection from the rain. The pants have an elastic waistband and adjustable leg openings for a secure fit that doesn't hinder your ride. With its reflective accents, the JIA'S rain suit enhances visibility, ensuring you're seen on the road even during heavy rain or low-light situations. This suit is available in various sizes to cater to different body types. Don't let adverse weather conditions keep you from enjoying your motorcycle rides. Gear up with the JIA'S rain suit and confidently conquer the rain while staying dry and visible. That wraps up our roundup of the top 7 best motorcycle rain gear options. We hope you found this video helpful in making your rainy day riding or outdoor adventures more enjoyable. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gear reviews and helpful tips. Until next time, ride safe and stay dry.